Hello and welcome to LittleGasthaus, the German sausage maker. Today we make some Fleischkäse. This is an Oktoberfest thing? Well, no. Actually, it's everyday's German cooking. Maybe you know Leberkäse. This is more located in the southern part of Germany. It looks the same, but it is without the liver. Usually it's made in a bowl cutter, but we will make it with the grinder so everybody can make this. You would say, well, it's just meatloaf. Well, yes and no. This meat is much finer ground and has different spices. And it's actually a traditional German food. The structure looks more like a giant Bratwurst. You can make this in a huge variety, different meats and different addings. So let's find out how it's made. Okay, what we need today is pork shoulder. This is about almost 3 pounds. We got some back fat. It's about 120, 130 grams. Then we need a plate, 8 millimeter, and a small one, 2 millimeter. And we got the mold. It's for baking, usually cake. Okay, first we cut the shoulder in pieces so it fit in the grinder. We got the later we will grind that separate. First we use the 8 millimeter plate. And we take care of the back fat, which we do separate from the rest of the meat. Okay. So for this. Okay. We put that again in the freezer for some time. Changed it. Okay, we got the frozen, or slightly frozen. There's one more turn now. It changed the cutting disc to 2 millimeter. We do the final cut. I'm gonna stop this. So that was the final cut, and now we gonna mix this. See, we got spices. That's about 7 grams spices. And we got about 27 grams of salt. Like I said, it's about 3 pounds of meat. Usually we do that in a bowl cutter. Got a better mix. It also goes 200 milliliter of ice, or at least ice water in there, and I'm going to do that in the kitchen mixer because it's just a little bit too much to do that by hand. So got some ice water. A little bit more than 200. Okay. I put some baking paper in there. So try to spread as even as you can. Okay, so try to do a shape in there. I don't know why it's that way, but maybe it looks better if you do. Okay, now we put it in the oven for 80 minutes at 80 degrees Celsius, and after that half an hour we put it in 1 hour at 150 degrees, and at the end for 10 minutes we get the temperature up to 200 degrees. So let's put it in the oven. I'm pretty sure you can see the temperature. It's set to 80 degrees. I will so we will see you after 30 minutes. I raise the temperature to 135. I will let it sit there for an hour, and then I will raise the temperature to 200 degrees Celsius. Sorry guys, my camera didn't work at the end, So we have to do it with some pictures so you know how it looks like. This was Fleischkäse. I hope you liked it. Try different meats and addings. You will find a recipe at my LittleGasthaus blog. Please give me a thumb up, subscribe, set the bell for the next video. Thanks for watching, and if you have some questions, let me know in the comments. Okay, bye bye, and see you in the LittleGasthaus, the German sausage maker.